Falcom to announce final Trails game during 50th anniversary, Gematsu. Falcom president Toshihiro Kondo hinted at the upcoming announcement of the final game in A Trails series during the company's 50th anniversary celebration. The announcement was made in an interview during the company's 45th anniversary. Gemini in Chrome gets first international expansion 9 to 5 Google. Gemini in Chrome expands to Canada, India, and New Zealand. The update also includes support for over 50 languages, broadening its accessibility and utility for a larger user base internationally. This is the first international expansion for the AI-powered Chrome feature. Why Apple rejected a clamshell-style foldable iPhone, Mac rumors. Apple rejected a clamshell foldable iPhone due to a lack of compelling new use cases. The company explored the design but ultimately decided against it, suggesting Apple is prioritizing innovative functionality over simply adopting the foldable form factor for its smartphones. Apple's low-cost iPhone 17e is faster than the low-cost MacBook Neo, Mac rumors. Apple will release the iPhone 17e and MacBook Neo, both budget-friendly devices powered by A-series chips. Initial speculation indicates that the iPhone 17e may outperform the MacBook Neo in processing speed, despite both being positioned as lower-cost options within Apple's product line. Exact pricing is TBD. EA Mario Day 2026 Hub. New LEGO reveal. Super Mario minifigs. Switch game deals. New Yoshi game. More. Updated. 9 to 5 toys. Mario Day 2026 is approaching, bringing new reveals, deals, and game announcements. Nintendo is teasing new Super Mario content, including potential LEGO sets, minifigs, Switch game deals, and a new Yoshi game. Fans can anticipate more news and updates as the event draws closer. EA Apple reveals MacBook Neo battery cycle limit 9 to 5 Mac. Apple disclosed the battery cycle limit for the new MacBook Neo in updated support documentation. The article likely provides specific details regarding this maximum cycle count, informing users about the expected lifespan of the device's battery. Google Pixel phones adding transit mode. How to set up 9 to 5 Google Pixel phones will receive a transit mode feature in the March 2026 feature drop to improve commutes. This update is part of a broader effort to help users manage their travel more effectively with their devices. Slay the Spire 2's launch has been so incredibly successful. The studio had to apologize for a joke about Marathon that now seems a bit meaner than it was intended. Eurogamer.net. Slay the Spire 2's successful launch prompted an apology from the developer for a congratulatory message to the Marathon team, which was perceived as unintentionally condescending due to Slay the Spire 2's success. The developer clarified the message was not meant to be mean-spirited. The superhero team-based PvP shooter, Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals is a free-to-play, team-based PvP shooter. Players can engage in battles with their favorite Marvel characters. The game is now available for all to play. Final Fantasy VII Remake, director teases the trilogy's finale, Bloomberg.com. Naoki Hamaguchi, the director of Final Fantasy VII Remake, hinted that the conclusion to the remake trilogy may not be too far off. While details remain scarce, this statement provides a hopeful outlook for fans eagerly awaiting the final installment. Breaking news. Orc in the Wild, Warhammer Community. Warhammer Community announces a new Orc Warboss model. This model features a choice of weapons, a chopper or a power claw. The announcement hints at new possibilities for Orc players, with exciting updates in the Warhammer universe. iPhone 17e benchmarks reveal a 19-chip performance with a tiny catch, Mac rumors. Early Geekbench 6 benchmarks for the iPhone 17e have appeared, showcasing the performance of the A19 chip. The listing provides an initial glimpse into the capabilities of Apple's next-generation mobile processor. Further details regarding the benchmarks and their implications for the device's performance are anticipated. Xbox drops 2 AAA free games. No Game Pass required to play, Gaming Bible. Xbox offers 4 AAA games for free for a limited time. 2 of the games are available to play without an Xbox Game Pass subscription. This is available to all Xbox users, so enjoy the weekend. Valve's Steam Machine may not launch this year, The Verge. Valve confirms the Steam Machine, Steam Frame, and Steam Controller launch has been moved to 2026. This announcement contradicts an earlier blog post which suggested uncertainty about the product release timeline. The delay provides more time for refinement. Official Ubisoft news. Previews and features, Ubisoft. Ubisoft's official website offers news, previews, and features related to their games and company. It provides insights into upcoming releases, behind-the-scenes content, and updates on existing games. The site serves as a central hub for Ubisoft fans to stay informed and engage with the brand. The T-Mobile Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, on us, deal explained. No trade-in or port-in required. IGN. T-Mobile is offering the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, on us, for pre-orders in 2026. This deal does not require any trade-ins or port-ins, making it an attractive offer for customers looking to upgrade to Samsung's latest flagship phone. Limited details are known until 2026. MacBook Neo, iPhone 17e, and everything else Apple announced this week, TechCrunch. Apple unveiled new products this week, including a new iPhone and a more affordable MacBook. The announcements signal Apple's continued efforts to cater to a wider range of consumers with both premium and budget-friendly options. No specifics were given regarding features. The new MacBook Air debuts with a $50 gift card as the M4 model hits its best price, The Verge. The new M5 MacBook Air is available at Best Buy with a $50 gift card. Additionally, the 15-inch M4 MacBook Air has reached its lowest price ever, selling for $1,099. There's some infamous second sun in Control resonant, says Remedy, Push Square. Remedy, the developers of Control, have suggested a connection between their game and infamous Second Son. Based on the article, the nature of the link remains unspecified, but the developers state that it is visible. The article makes a short assertion that a connection exists between the two games. Highguard Skeleton Crew crunches to ship update amid pile on Kotaku. Highguard's development team is rushing to release a significant update, adding a skill tree, XP progression, and hero. The team is under pressure to deliver the update quickly. The update appears to be adding several new features to the game.